October's Costco lineup just dropped, and if you've been waiting to upgrade your home setup without draining your wallet, these deals are the ones to watch. From cleaning tech that works while you sleep to smart gadgets that simplify your daily routine, 20 of the best home appliance deals that are actually worth your money. And quick reminder, every product I mention is linked down below in the description. iRobot Roomba Plus 507 Combo Vac Mop Robot with Auto Wash Dock was $599.99, now just $479. That's a solid $120 off. If you've ever wished cleaning could take care of itself, this Roomba delivers exactly that. It vacuums and mops in one go, and the Auto Wash Dock even cleans the mop pad for you. You can schedule it through the app, let it map your floors, and then watch it return to the dock to self-empty and self-clean. Perfect for busy homes, pet owners, or anyone who wants spotless floors without lifting a finger. This is one of those tech investments that pays for itself in time saved. Cuisinart 2-Slice Digital Toaster was $44.99, now $34.99, $10 off. This sleek digital toaster is way smarter than the average pop-up. With precise digital controls, memory settings, and multiple shade levels, it's designed to deliver your ideal toast every single time. Bagels, waffles, sourdough, everything gets that perfect crisp without the guesswork. The stainless steel build also gives it that modern kitchen look that lasts. Small upgrade, huge morning difference. Acer 14-inch Chromebook Plus, originally $349.99, now only $249.99, $100 off. For anyone who needs a reliable laptop for work, school, or streaming, this Chromebook is a solid pick. It's lightweight, fast, and backed by Google's updated Chrome OS Plus features, meaning smoother multitasking, better battery life, and automatic cloud backup. Whether you're managing documents, video calls, or just catching up on Netflix, it handles it all effortlessly. HP Color LaserJet Pro M330 1CDEW all-in-one printer was $499.99, now $389.99 a clean, $110 off. If you've been holding out for a business-grade printer that won't jam or slow you down, this HP model is a winner. It prints, scans, and copies in full color with speeds up to 26 pages per minute, sharp, accurate, and built for both home offices and small businesses. The compact design hides serious muscle. Wi-Fi auto reconnect, HP's top-tier security features, and automatic two-sided printing. Set it and forget it, your printing just got professional-level quality without the enterprise price tag. Lenovo Idea Center 27-inch all-in-one touchscreen desktop was $899.99, now $699.99. That's $200 off. If cluttered desks drive you crazy, this sleek all-in-one setup will feel like a breath of fresh air. It combines a 27-inch Full HD touchscreen, 1 terabyte SSD, and 16 gigabytes RAM into one smooth, minimalist machine. The AMD Ryzen 5 processor keeps things fast, whether you're video conferencing, editing photos, or binge-watching your favorite shows. It even includes a wireless keyboard and mouse right in the box. This is one of those deals that gives you premium performance and aesthetic simplicity in a single buy. Belkin 2-in-1 Magnetic Wireless Charging Pad was $29.99, now $19.99, $10 off. Charging clutter is officially canceled. This Belkin pad lets you power up your iPhone and AirPods simultaneously, using MagSafe compatible magnets for perfect alignment every time. It's compact, travel-friendly, and delivers fast charging without overheating or cable chaos. If your nightstand or workspace needs a tidy upgrade, this little accessory makes a surprisingly big difference. Philips Sonicare rechargeable electric toothbrush was $99.99, now just $69.99. That's a solid $30 off. This Sonicare isn't your average toothbrush. It's the kind that makes you actually look forward to brushing. With advanced sonic vibrations and pressure sensors, it removes up to 7 times more plaque than manual brushes while protecting your gums. You also get multiple cleaning modes for whitening, deep cleaning, and sensitive care, all while the smart timer guides you through the dentist-recommended 2-minute routine. And yes, it's rechargeable. Gourmet Digital Air Fryer was $59.99, now $44.99, $15 off. If you haven't jumped on the air fryer train yet, this is your sign. The Gourmet Air Fryer gives you crispy fries, crunchy wings, and roasted veggies with little to no oil, all in minutes. It packs a generous 8-quart capacity, 7 one-touch presets, and a built-in viewing window so you can watch your food crisp to perfection. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, so cleanup takes seconds. Healthy, fast, and family-sized. That's the kind of kitchen deal worth celebrating. Dyson 515 Detect Total Clean Extra Cordless Vacuum was $789.99, now $629.99, a massive $160 off. This is Dyson's most advanced cordless vacuum. And yes, it's as good as everyone says. It uses a laser to reveal hidden dust on hard floors, automatically adjusts suction power, and delivers up to 60 minutes of fade-free cleaning. With multiple attachments, a digital display, and Dyson's signature Cyclone technology, it tackles everything from pet hair to fine dust. If deep cleaning without cords sounds like freedom, this is your golden ticket. DeLonghi Platinum City's Nespresso machine was $189.99, now $169.99, a cool $30 off. If you love cafe-quality coffee but want it at home in under a minute, this Nespresso machine is the answer. It's sleek, compact, and delivers rich espresso with that perfect layer of crema every time. The 19-bar pressure system extracts deep, bold flavor from every pod, while the fast heat-up time means no morning waiting game. Pair it with your favorite milk frother, and you've got barista-level drinks without leaving the kitchen or paying cafe prices. Cuisinart Griddler Gourmet Deluxe was $99.99, now $79.99, $20 off. This multi-cooker is like having an entire grill and griddle in one compact machine. It opens flat to double your cooking space, giving you 5 functions: grill, griddle, half and half, panini press, and top melt. The adjustable temperature controls and removable non-stick plates make everything from breakfast pancakes to grilled chicken a breeze. It's one of those appliances that ends up living on your counter because you'll actually use it every day. EcoFlow Delta 3 Power Station was $799.99, now $649.99, saving you $150. Power outages, camping trips, or off-grid adventures, this portable powerhouse has you covered. With multiple AC and USB-C ports, the EcoFlow Delta 3 can charge laptops, appliances, even power tools all at once. It recharges from 0 to 80% in just under an hour, and the digital display keeps you updated in real time. For backup power or outdoor reliability, this is the kind of peace of mind purchase that earns its keep fast. Dyson Airwrap ID Multi-Styler and Dryer was $799.99, now $649.99. That's a generous $150 off. This is Dyson's game-changing hair tool that everyone's been talking about. And yes, it lives up to the hype. It dries, curls, smooths, and volumizes using nothing but controlled air, not extreme heat. That means less damage, more shine, and salon-level results right at home. The new I.D edition even features intelligent airflow control and multiple styling attachments for every hair type. If you've been waiting for the right time to invest in it, this discount might be your cue. Oral Bio Deep Clean Rechargeable toothbrush was $169.99. Now $129.99, $40 off. Oral-B's IO series is basically the Tesla of toothbrushes. It combines micro vibrations with a smart pressure sensor and real-time feedback via the app guiding you to brush better every day. The magnetic motor is whisper quiet but incredibly efficient, leaving your teeth feeling dentist fresh after every use. Plus, with a rechargeable battery that lasts over a week, it's built for convenience and results. If you're serious about oral care, this one's a smart long-term switch. Winix C610-4 Stage True HEPA Air Purifier with Wi-Fi was $189.99. Now $149.99. A clean $40 off. Say goodbye to dust, pollen, and pet dander with this Wi-Fi-enabled air purifier. The C610 uses a 4-stage HEPA filtration system that captures up to 99.99% of airborne allergens while neutralizing odors. It automatically adjusts fan speed based on air quality and covers up to 1,800 square feet, ideal for open spaces or large rooms. Control it from your phone, set schedules, or monitor air quality on the go. For anyone with allergies or pets, this is a must-have deal. Kohler Step Can was $99.99. Now $69.99, $30 off. You might not think much about a trash can until you've used one this good. The Kohler Step Can combines a fingerprint-resistant stainless steel finish with a soft, close lid that never slams. Its hands-free foot pedal is whisper smooth, and the liner system keeps bags neatly hidden and easy to change. It's the kind of everyday upgrade that quietly elevates your kitchen or bathroom sleek, durable, and built to last. Cuisinart Precision Master Elite Stand Mixer was $299.99. Now $239.99, saving you $60. For the home baker or anyone who loves a weekend cooking project, this is your new best friend. It features a powerful 500-watt motor with 12 speed settings, a tilt-back head, and a polished stainless steel bowl. From bread doughs to fluffy frostings, it handles everything effortlessly. The attachments make it even more versatile. Think pasta, meat grinder, or spiralizer. If you've ever wanted a KitchenAid alternative without the premium price tag, this Cuisinart is the move. Hodo Cordless Spin Scrubber was $69.99. Now $54.99, $15 off. Scrubbing bathrooms and tile floors just got futuristic. The Hodo Spin Scrubber is fully cordless, waterproof, and equipped with multiple brush heads for every surface: tubs, tiles, even car rims. The ergonomic handle and strong torque make deep cleaning feel effortless, and the rechargeable battery gives you up to 90 minutes of runtime. It's a compact powerhouse that turns one of the most annoying chores into something strangely satisfying. Samsung HWQ60CF 3.1.2 channel soundbar was $496.99. Now $396.99, a solid $100 off. If your TV's built-in speakers just aren't cutting it, this Samsung soundbar changes the game. It features Dolby Atmos and DTS:X for truly immersive 3D sound that fills the entire room. The wireless subwoofer brings deep, powerful bass, while Q Symphony technology syncs perfectly with compatible Samsung TVs for richer, layered audio. Whether it's movie night or music streaming, every detail sounds crisp and dynamic. And setup? Just plug it in, connect via Bluetooth, and you're ready to go. Samsung Odyssey G5 34-inch ultra-wide gaming monitor was $399.99. Now $349.99, $50 off. This one's for gamers, creators, and anyone who wants total screen immersion. The Odyssey G5's 1000R curved display wraps around your field of view, pulling you straight into the action. With a 165 Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time, it delivers buttery smooth motion for fast-paced games and cinematic clarity for editing or streaming. AMD FreeSync Premium eliminates screen tearing, and the ultra-wide aspect ratio gives you room to multitask like a pro. Whether it's work or play, this monitor transforms your setup instantly. And that's a wrap 20 Costco home appliance deals that genuinely stand out this month. From smart cleaners and kitchen upgrades to next-level entertainment tech, these prices won't stay this low for long. All the product links are listed right below in the description. Check your local stock before they sell out. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Prep Home, and share it with someone who loves a good Costco run as much as you do.